If you're a contractor, you own a home service renovations business, then this video is for you. This is Lily. Lily's one of our partners. She owns Outdoor Landscape Innovations out in Stockton, California. And over the past few months, Lily spent roughly $800 on her marketing in total and generated back and collected $140,000 in cash revenue for her business from concrete and hardscaping jobs in her local area out in Stockton. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what Lily was able to do in the same market, same competition, no viral or magic ads, what she changed in her follow-up, what systems she implemented behind those ads to actually make them profitable, and how you can do the same thing for your business today. Before this, Lily was doing what most contractors do. Leads were coming in randomly all over the place, sometimes from Google, sometimes from Meta, sometimes from referrals. She really relied on word of mouth heavily to keep her business going. Calls would get missed if she's out at a job site, if she's doing her project management or sending out quotes, or even with her family and her daughter after hours. Before going into a job and an estimate request, she would have notes written on just a paper and pen or just on the notes app on her phone. If a homeowner wasn't ready to convert right then and there, then they wouldn't get followed up with long enough till they were actually ready and build up the nurture and the trust with them. They would kind of just get lost in the pipeline somewhere. So Lily didn't just need more leads. She needed a system to stop her from losing the leads that she was already paying for. And here's how she explains it.
This is what led to months where we have like $800 just spent in advertising and we're able to collect back $140,000. So that right there, just a result of those systems, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I would say so. I do agree. I think just having a system in place that, like you said, we could go back to talk to customers. It's not like a lost lead because the systems that have been put in place, we're able to follow up with a customer. Let's say they're not ready right now, but they'll tell us maybe in 6 months, we're getting our pool done, and in about 6 months, we should have everything finalized, or we're getting into closing, but it's going to take about another 30, 60 days to close. So we can always put notes in there to help us follow up with these leads so that they don't just get lost. So without these systems, I'm pretty sure just having notes on my phone, it wouldn't have been as productive, and we would have probably lost a lot of these. But being able to follow up with these prospects 30, 60, 90 days, even a year later, it really does help to manage these customers.
So what changed? It wasn't that Lily just found some magic ads or just happened to go viral overnight. Matter of fact, if you take the same exact ads that she's running right now and use them for your business and plug them right into your ad account, you're not gonna see the same results, because the difference is the infrastructure behind those ads that make them so profitable. And this is what we call Contractors OS. Contractors OS is our proprietary 3-part framework system that, when installed into your business, on average, our clients see a 42% increase in the amounts of appointments on the calendar with local homeowners in their area, and you, the founder, are saving on average 23 hours every single week. That's about 92 hours a month off of your time in following up, chasing leads, worrying about conversions, all of the tech headaches and all of the busy work that needs to get done that you need to be doing, when it can all just be handled for you in a very streamlined format. This is the same system that we've used in over 13 states and have tracked revenue of over $48 million collected right now across our client portfolio. So let me show you exactly how we built this for Lily. So the first step that we did for Lily was plug in the leaky bucket. Now, most contractors, they don't have a leads problem, they have what we call a leaks problem. What this looks like is, if you imagine your marketing as an overall bucket, if you're putting in resources, aka your money and your time and your team's time and efforts, or you're hiring agencies, whatever it may be, but you have a leaking bucket, then the only way that your perception or that bucket is going to increase at all is if you dump in more and more resources. But the minute those resources stop coming in, you're not making anything out. So what we do is we take a look and see, okay, if you have visitors, people viewing your website, but they're not opting in, they're not scheduling in an appointment, why that is. If some people are booking in estimates, but they're not showing up, or they're flaking in on the appointment, and you're going to their house, you're not hearing back, or they're just canceling, why is that? If you're sending out quotes and you think they're about to close, but then they ghost you, Why is that happening? So for Lily's situation, what we saw was that the first thing when she did her lead conversion audit, which I'm inviting you to do as well, is we saw that out of 100 people that go to her website, about 2 to 3 people are actually taking action, which was just terrible. Because if we can just increase that number up just mathematically and get more people out of those 100 to actually opt in and book appointments, she's gonna make more money on the back end without having to spend any more on the front end. So the first step that we did here for Lily was completely redesign her entire website. We built a website that is conversion focused with booking options for customers to book appointments with the sales team easily online, SEO, blog pages to rank the website on Google, clear category pages, even employee applications, pretty much everything that she could possibly need, including all the data tracking on the back end so that she can know what's working and what isn't working. Our goal here was to push that 2 to 3% conversion rate into the 10 to 20% range, same traffic, same ads, just a lot less waste. And when we do that, your existing marketing becomes a lot more profitable before you spend another dollar on marketing. The second piece we installed for Lily is what we like to call the command and follow-up center. So think about one place of communication for all your leads and all your clients that could possibly be coming from any sort of social media online, even your phone, email, website, Google, anything that you can think of. We bring them all into one system where you or your sales team can view all the conversation history you've had with them. You can listen to any call transcripts, you can see any notes, you can see their upcoming appointments, past appointments. You can know everything about this lead before you ever walk into a sales conversation ever again. So it's no longer walking in blind. You'll have everything that you could possibly need. You will know why a lead fell off, and most importantly, you will never miss another lead ever again, because again, they're all into one place. So what we do with that is we also have an AI assistant that will reply back to leads within 2 minutes of them asking a question, just opting in or just showing interest about the business. And that, on average, you can look this up online, just increases your chance of booking in the appointment by over 80% if you reply back to leads within less than 5 minutes. So that automatically gets handled by the system. Any missed calls on the last ring will also get routed to an AI so that it can see what they need and it can route them to the right person or schedule them in for an appointment once it pre-qualifies them, of course. Now this took Lily from we'll get to it later to it's already handled without her being glued on her phone 24/7 answering leads. Now the third piece was building Lily's reputation engine. If you're a homeowner and you're looking for contractors online, you're checking out a lot of the reviews and you're checking out their past work. So it's very important that you're collecting a lot of reviews and you're standing out there in the marketplace, and you're also getting video testimonials from your clients that you can use for case studies on your website, or you can use it across your social media. So what we did for Lily is we automated this entire process. We built out a review system that will automatically send out requests whenever she completes a job with a client. And if the client happens to leave anything below 3 stars, it will be sent as an internal feedback so that her team can get back and take care of the issue. If it's 4 stars and above, then it'll automatically kick them to Google to help out with the SEO and just the website and ranking on Google, and people are looking up landscaping or concrete contractors in the area. So when you hear $800 turn into $140,000 in cash collected, it's not magic. It's the systems required to actually make it happen. It's making sure every click is turning into a lead. It's making sure that every single lead and every single inquiry is getting replied to within minutes, not hours or days. It's making sure we're following up with people so that the not yet are actually turning into, yeah, I'm ready, let's do this. It's making sure that the people that are skeptical are actually getting nurtured and showing them that we're the safe choice so that they should choose us and work with us. Lily didn't double her hours. She didn't need to slash her prices. She simply stopped losing on the opportunities that were right in front of her and just capitalized on them. So if you're a contractor or you own a home service renovations business and you want to see how the system would look like inside of your business, then I encourage you to click the link below and book a complimentary lead conversion audit. Now, worst case scenario, you will leave this call with actionable tips that you and your team can implement whether you choose to work with us or not, and you will get better results for your business. And best case scenario is that we work together, we implement Contractors OS, and you have a predictable marketing machine and you know what's working in your business day in and day out. So if you're serious about scaling your business and getting more appointments booked on the calendar, click the link below, choose a time, and we'll walk you through the whole thing. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you, your family, and all your loved ones. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.